Welcome to Glam Cosmetics' new affiliate marketing program. Have you thought about earning money from home and sharing the business of beauty without having to sell products and grow a team? Well, now is your opportunity. We are launching and have launched an incredible and a lucrative affiliate marketing program. The link is in the description box. We want you to apply if you have a passion for skincare, a passion for beauty, or you just want to earn some extra income and meaningful income from home for you and your family. We have an entire line of products, over 893 to be exact, from color cosmetics to skincare to lipstick, lip gloss, brow pencils, skincare treatment products, a new men's line that we just relaunched, and everything in between. We introduce new products every quarter, and we have just added some incredible new colors as well as CBD wellness products to our amazing lineup. We want you to visit our website at www.glamitcosmetics.com. Also, follow us over on Facebook where we post daily. Are you a social media beauty influencer? Are you someone that has an incredible social media following? Or are you just getting started and you say, I think that I'd be interested in earning some income as an affiliate? Well, this is a no holds barred program. There's no limit on your income. You don't have to sell anything. You don't have to build a team. There are no monthly quotas. All we ask is that you share our social media page and our website with your social media followers, and when they click on your affiliate link that you'll get to your own personal Glam Cosmetics link, then when they make a purchase, you earn 10%. That's right, you heard 10% of everything that people purchase that come through your affiliate marketing link. How's that for getting paid every month? If you're interested, again, we want you to apply. Please see the link in the description box down below, and we are being very selective. We will let you know once you're approved.